What's up guys, Torn RC here, back with another video. I'm here at my Wltoys 124018 4-wheel drive desert buggy. Now this thing is definitely one of my favorites. I know I always say that, I love them all, but this is definitely one of my favorites. A lot of aluminum parts, including the shocks and the chassis. This thing is awesome. It's fast too, alright? So check out those videos. I did speed runs. I even did an off-road run where I put some off-road tires on this thing. I even put some lights, at the front, side, the back. So let's do it, man. Wltoys 124018 Desert Buggy. Alright, let's go. Look at that thing, boy. Thing is quick, guys. One quick little buggy. Man, there's also a brushless version to this thing. Whoa, see that? Little drift action going. This is all stock, guys. Except for the wheels. These are some budget wheels too. They got plenty of grip. Getting cold out here, guys. Yeah, Canadian fall. All right. Yeah. Quick little run with my Wltoys 124018. See you guys on the next video. Later.